sorry ass DJ.
Welcome to Food Dodolan Kuliner, Miss Kurnia.
Thank you, madam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. And yourself?
Great. Thank you. I hope we didn't keep you waiting for so long.
No, madam. I had a chance to talk with one of your sales in drugstore while waiting.
That's good. Shall we start now?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I am a manager of our Dodolan Kuliner, and we have an empty position, so we have interviewed applicants to fill the position as quickly as possible.
Yes, madam. I got this information from my friend who is one of your employees at this food.
Good. Let's see. First of all, explain yourself, please.
Okay. Thank you for thank given. My name is KURNIASARI. You can call me Dwikur. I am 19 years old. I come from Kalitengah village. I was born in BLITAR on February 6, 2022. I graduated from high school Mamba Usolih into BLITAR this year. In senior high school, I majored in social science.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because I am interested in contributing to the advancement of this food and channeling my talents that match my background like cooking.
What do you know about the food and food we sell?
What I know about this food is one of the foods that is always busy with customer. Has many food branches and has a contemporary food and drink menu. So that is the first factor why this food is always crowded with customer.
What is your strength?
I'm currently in good health. Honesty is my priority. I'm humble, responsible, disciplined, and I really like to work hard.
What are your weaknesses?
I'm forgetful, that's why I always carry a small note to remind me.
How much salary you want?
When it comes to salary, I want it to be in accordance with the UMR or the standard from this food.
What hobbies do you like at the moment?
My current hobbies are cooking and marketing because I love to trade, and currently I'm also trading online.
What is your solution when you are stressed or full of pressure at work?
When I'm stressed and full of pressure at work, what I will do is listen to music and close my eyes for a moment.
Any question for us?
I wanna ask about how the regulation and the system work can be explained. And what benefits do I get if I get accepted to work here? And how long is the break given?
The work system is open from 10 morning and to 9 night. Arrive on time, serve customer in and friendly, consistent, and always maintain cleanliness. The benefit you get are salary according to the standard of this food and a great experience. For lunch, break from 12 to 1 o'clock. The afternoon is time for us prayer and the time for Maghrib prayer. It is allowed to take a month leave of 2 to 3 times and every night to deposit the result of daily income to the boss. That's it for today. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.
I was nice talking to you too.
Thank you for coming. You will hear from us within 10 days.